Hello guys, Craig Newton here. Uh, it's been like 4 weeks since the last video. So today I'm doing a video right now. So this is my 6th Knex ball machine right here. This is update 2 now. So it's not finished yet, obviously. I'm still building on it. So the last video was update 1, so this is update 2 now. What I'm doing just now. So I'm still building on it. So here's 2 balls down here. Well, I got them now. So about last time I'm only show you like was that left there and these 2 right here as well, and path 1 as well. I've been working on just up here, so I know it's not much, but I will keep building on it, you know, when we're up here. I just need more time to figure it out, you know, or something like that. It helps your brains a lot, so you can think, you know, whatever you're going to build next and keep rebuilding it, you know, something like that. So I will show you, just start from here, and I will show you like just something when we're up here anyway. So, oh, pardon me, I think I was lifting there. This machine has 4 lifts now. And it's got 4 paths. Well, 1 path is actually done still. Well, the last video it was I did show you it, so I still need to do path 2 and path 3 and path 4. That would be that, and that as well. So let's get started. I'll just put 1 ball right there in the board. Okay, it's just right there. So 4th lift is just right here. So you might seen this lift before, but not in my channel though. I don't know, this is the first time I built this lift, well, on the channel. Well, my channel, you know, something like that. So I think I built this before, but not on YouTube, I don't think. Well, I'm not sure, but I just built this type of lift anyway. And the motor is right there, 2 gears. Well, as more, that would be that side. It's for the, you know, these things right here. When it's, as you can see, it moves like that. So if I turn it on, well, the ball is like down here, so I turn it on. Okay, it just goes up here, peek it, and it's just land on the track and then it's on that. So yeah, that was the 4th lift. Turn it off, turn the motor off. What this thing does, it's just wait until another ball comes, and then that ball right there, it will be on, it will be land here, and another ball just comes, you know, down here, something like that. So it's like, well, two balls or something like that. So I will show you what I mean. So it's like that. Okay, two balls just right here. Okay. As you can see, one ball went this way, and then another one is just came this end, you know, like that end to that end. Well, only two balls. So it's just make it like path 2 and path 3, but it's actually like I would say path 2 this end and path 3 that end. Well, I was actually built a path switch, so whatever you call it, and this side would be path 4. So it has 4 paths on this machine, so I was right. So that's all I'm going to show you really. It's nothing really much, but that's all I'm going to show you in this video. So I hope you guys enjoy in today's video. Just leave a like on this video and comments. Let me know. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys later. So I'll see you guys next video. So goodbye.